This is one of my first videos for YouTube, so I am kind of rough at this. Bear with me, but I just wanted to show a few iterations of a hut that I'm building, meditation hut, with quite a few sculptures and various artworks inside of it. This was kind of like the orienting design for just the overall look from the outside. Guess this would kind of be like the elevation drawing. But then this was more like just sketching out some of the interior components. This is a very kind of rough look at this, just the process. Up here you can kind of see the different techniques that I want to use, from stained glass to ceramics to timber framing, etc., and the various materials that I want to have: glass, leather, ceramic, stone, copper, steel, wood. And it's all going to kind of be centered around a fountain made out of a millstone from a nearby mill. And yeah, so this is just kind of a very rough draft. And then we move to this, and I'll spare you all the details. I'm just kind of showing the progression of it. And then the scale was a little off here, so this is more the proper scale. And you can see that I do the drawings just using basically a compass and a pencil and a straight edge geometry, trying to kind of make everything harmonize. And then some, various ideas that kind of gel a little more in this sketch. You can kind of see, these are kind of different sketches. This is the millstone. These would be copper flowers. This would be some kind of green glass with copper molding. And then this would kind of be the approach going through up, and then an old log, like a mesquite log, bleached white, that you'd sit on. There'd be tooled leather there. And then I'm actually going to have this carved stone on the wall with some kind of poem on each side there. A little more of a close up on the tree. Oh yeah, and some origami butterflies there. It's kind of crazy, but I just kind of go with it. I go with what feels right. It's kind of a combination of minimalism, but then like really colorful flourishes as well. This would kind of be the outside. Walk up, go in. This will all be on my land in West Texas, Marathon, Texas. Again, some more ideas. Putting a prism up on the roof, so that when it's at high noon, it would actually be at high noon, the prisms would shoot straight down and kind of create a flower. So you're sitting here, and then suddenly like there's this flower kind of image. So anyway, it's kind of crazy stuff I like. This would be the hallway going in, So this is the latest one. This is a plan drawing. That's probably kind of the final proportions are correct here. So 6-foot entrance, and then everything's based off that. Walk down, go through the hall, and then you're in the space. So anyway, thank you.